Welcome to the lesson on importance of quality in manufacturing. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to discuss the various activities of a quality management system and assess the actions of a production technician that affect quality. Just as a fruit picker carefully selects and sorts oranges from the tree, keeping only those that meet the right size, color, and ripeness while discarding damaged or underripe ones, manufacturing companies inspect their products against quality standards before shipping to customers. Quality in the manufacturing environment plays a crucial role in the current competitive global market. It has been part of the manufacturing environment since the 1980s. However, in those early days, manufacturers used quality control practices in the production stage only. These practices focused on the machines and the value added to the product to meet design and customer specifications. As organizations began to observe the impact and cost savings of quality tools, quality practices moved beyond production. Currently, quality management systems are involved in all steps of the manufacturing process, from customer needs assessment to production planning to the delivery of the final product. We will take a look at each stage in the upcoming slides. Customer needs are an important input in the quality management system. Therefore, it is essential that the market research conducted to identify them is also a quality product. Some customer needs that define quality include product requirements, appearance and function of the product, cost effectiveness compared to value, and delivery receiving the right product in the right quantity at the correct time. Customers must weigh these three needs to determine acceptable quality. Product design engineers must create metrics or product specifications while keeping in mind effective resource use and customer experience. The purchasing department must ensure that suppliers meet the quality requirements for the materials they provide, both raw materials and others. Quality should be considered during production planning and scheduling to ensure that manufacturing processes do not exceed their limits, thereby reducing quality. During production, quality control checks need be performed at various stages to maintain quality and detect and correct deviations from it. Maintenance is also an important facet of quality systems. If a tool or machine is not properly maintained, the result can be unscheduled repair time or a defective product, thus delaying the product delivery or resulting in a poor customer experience. Finally, delivery of the product is just as important as the product itself. The product must be packaged, shipped, and delivered in a timely manner, ensuring its good condition. Additional functions within the organization, such as finance, human resources, and legal services, support the overall quality goal by providing budgets, a well-trained workforce, and reviews concerning warranty, safety, and liability issues. It is often said that quality is the responsibility of everyone in the organization. However, top management is initially responsible for ensuring that the proper quality system is in place to define and communicate quality policies and goals throughout the organization. Once this culture is in place, then quality becomes everyone's responsibility. The Quality Assurance Department, abbreviated as QAD, is responsible for informing each department about, training employees, and implementing the quality management system across the organization. Based on the information from the Quality Assurance Department, managers are to keep their teams focused on quality. Quality should be discussed daily with frontline production employees at the supervisor level. Supervisors need to reflect on the positive outcomes that led to good product quality, while also pointing out the areas where frontline employees need to improve. Last but not least, the frontline production employees play a crucial role in product quality. Of all employees in the organization, these technicians work more closely with the product than anyone else and become more familiar with the processes leading to and the causes of poor quality products. Production technicians should inform their immediate supervisors of perceived problems with quality. If a technician notices that product quality is declining quickly, he should have the authority to stop production of the process in question to correct the quality problems. In the production process, the operator is the first person who is responsible for quality. Production technicians are extensively involved in product quality. One example is that they oversee a process involving several steps and procedures. The document that lists all the sequence of events, procedures, inspections, and instructions is called the Standard Operating Procedures, abbreviated as SOP. These comprehensive documents provide detailed step-by-step guidance for production technicians to maintain consistent quality and standardized operations. SOPs specify exact procedures for inspections and quality control tasks while clearly defining responsibilities, including specific protocols for handling defective materials through proper identification, tagging, and routing to appropriate parties for resolution. The SOPs incorporate key features to ensure comprehensive quality control, visual inspection protocols to detect physical defects such as cracks and scratches, specific measurement requirements for dimensions, weight and temperature monitoring, and performance testing guidelines to verify functionality against established standards. At steps specified in the process, the SOP will instruct a technician to perform an inspection to document key characteristics of the product. If a product fails to meet requirements, the technician, guided by the SOP, will determine what action to take. These actions include rework, recycle, or scrap. A product is reworked when it is salvageable but needs to go through other processes to keep it in production. A product is recycled when parts of it can be used to manufacture the product or can be modified for another purpose. A product is scrapped or discarded when it is not salvageable. In summary, effective quality management requires understanding its core components: customer needs assessment, production planning, to final product delivery. Production technicians play a vital role as the first line of defense in maintaining product quality and making quick decisions on the production floor when issues arise. Clear documentation and communication through standard operating procedures establish standardized processes, ensuring consistent quality control and proper issue resolution throughout all production stages. Thank you.